We have a limo.
Come on, energy. Go get him. Go get him. Out. 5, 4, 3, 2, stop. Look back. Stop. Keep moving. Come on, energy. Move it.
Excuse me. But could I interest you in the style of tomorrow?
Are you a singer?
My name is Curtis Taylor Jr.
Come on, more energy than that, y'all. Come on, make it entertaining. You guys are supposed to almost win when you walk around backstage on this.
Curtis Taylor Jr.
Bam!
Just what I need.
Your Cadillac dealer, baby.
Just what I need. Smart dog acts and car salesman.
Hit music. Move. Energy. Y'all ain't bringing enough energy with it. Slowly.
I'm sorry. My train is late and took the wrong subway from Chicago.
Is this center stage?
Where's our red dot at?